In the world of aviation, where every detail matters, and the sky is not the limit but the beginning, our dedicated team, armed with expertise and precision, ensures every aircraft touches the sky with confidence. Our AOG response team is ready to deploy. We bring solutions to where they're needed most, around the clock. ASG tackles the most intricate challenges, from structural integrity to critical fuel leak repairs, with the highest standards of safety and reliability. Our expertise, with a global reach that extends across continents, ensuring aircraft everywhere have access to top-tier maintenance services. At ASG, we're more than a team. We're a family, united in our commitment to excellence and to keep you flying safely. Aircraft Structures Group, where trust takes flight and every journey begins with assurance. Join us in the skies where possibilities are endless. Visit us at aircraftstructuresgroup.com.